All these robots offered on this channel are intended exclusively for use with the broker presented in this video. In the description below, you will find the link to download the robots, as well as the link to open your free account with the broker. Follow the instructions available in the description to access all resources quickly and securely.
So you'll click the link that's right below the video in the description, and you'll be directed here to our site. Here on our site, you'll find this field to create your account with the Derivative Broker. If you don't have one yet, create your account, follow the step-by-step instructions, and then log in. Then, the second step is to open the robot on the site. You click there, and you'll be directed to your robot page, the bot builder here for Deriv. This is the second step. So once you're already logged in there, now you're going to have to download the strategy in question. I'm going to show you the strategy that will be used here in this video. You just click here on download strategy. You'll find several strategies here, all of them free. Here you'll also find the strategies video being tested on a real account on our secondary channel. If you're interested in seeing the strategy, you can click there or just follow along in the video here. So let's go. I'm going to to download this strategy that will be shown here in this video. The one in question will be this one, Super ODD. You click here on download, you'll be directed to Google Drive. Those who already know this is safe, you can download it without fear. Here's the file. To download, you'll click here, just follow the mouse to this arrow and download it. I won't do it because I already have it downloaded here on my machine. Knowing all of that, we'll now head back to our robots page. Okay, we're already successfully logged into the bots control panel. Now to download and load the strategy here, we'll click on control panel. You'll find the strategy on your computer, on your device, or your phone. It will depend on which platform you're using. Then click file, to load the strategy. Double click, I'll load the strategy here. I'll open it. Once that's done, the strategy is already loaded here on the screen. Now, of course, I ask you to observe the information here. You should only change the fields I'll show you here. The value of your daily goal and the value of each pet. I recommend you leave the rest as default unless you already have experience here and know what you're doing. Then you can change the remaining fields here. So let's go. I'll show you the stop loss here, okay? If we hit a stop, the total loss the bot will stop at will be here, depending on what we define. I'm going to set a stop loss of $100 here, okay? You need to set this stop loss according to your reality. Right? Your reality is defined by the amount you have in your account and how much you wish to risk on that day. Okay? I recommend that you always follow the daily recommendation. It's not exactly how much you should earn that day, but that you strive to end this day in the positive regardless of the specific amount. I don't know if you're quite grasping the reasoning here, but I'm trying to explain this to you as quickly as possible. For you to survive here trading in this manner, folks, you really need to view this as a gamble. You could lose all of your money, and you must always keep that in mind whenever you decide to place a bet. Okay? So I want you to understand that the most important thing to survive here is to have proper management and try to stay as positive as you possibly can. All right? Always try to remain positive. So what will define this situation is your daily goal and your current reality. So let's get to it. I hope you've understood, everyone. Yeah, of course, I've already set the daily goal at $100 here. All the robots here, they work with martingale. Why itamos accurate? Meaning, if I bet $5 and it loses, the next bet it will double to 10. If it loses again, it goes to 20 to 40 and so on. You need to understand this part too. I'll set here the initial value for each my daily goal. Sorry, this is my daily goal, right? The amount that I wish to earn is $20. If it closes at 20, it will stop automatically, or if it hits our stop loss here, which is $100, it will also stop automatically. You set the value of each entry here to $5, and the value of the next entry I'll set to $5 as well. And as I said, I don't recommend changing the rest of the fields. Leave them as default. I'll click execute here. It's a film to beat show, so I'll leave the screen recording here. When it's time to edit, I'll speed this up so the video doesn't get too long, and at the end we'll come back to give the final thoughts for the video. See you soon. Well, everyone, the bot stopped here. As I said, it stopped automatically. It looks like we've hit our target here, a total of 2102. You can see the robot, it stops automatically. He was here, in that win-lose situation. But as I said, in the end, the most important thing is for us to close positive, right? We hit our target here. We even went over by $1. Our target, which was $20. I made $21 here. So in total contracts, he made 23 entries. Out of those 23, he lost 11 and won 12, right? He, as I mentioned, he was in that win-lose pattern. In the end, with the martingales, he always managed to recover, and we closed out here with $21.